e huri te tai ki Te Whare Wānanga o Waitaha.
Honestly, I was so stoked to hear that we were getting a B Health degree.
A tērā tau ka tīmata te Tohu Paetahi Hauora ki Te Whare Wānanga nei, me te tūmanako ka whakauru mai kia ono te kau ngā tauira hou. Ko Annabelle Ahuriri Driscoll no ngā te pro, tētahi o ngā tino kai whakarite o tēnei tohu.
It's going to reach into some new areas that we know are really significant for Māori health gain, for addressing disparities.
Ko Teghan Bain tētahi o ngā kaitoko mo ngā tauira, engari no mua i tēnei, i ako ia ki Te Whare Wānanga nei mo ngā tau e rima. Ko tētahi o ona aronga, ko te pūtai ao Hauora.
I wasn't raised in Te Ao Māori, I didn't go to kura kaupapa, but this helped me become more comfortable in my Te Ao Māori and my Māoritanga. I kind of started to think about what do I want to do with my life, and I knew that I wanted it to be kind of Māori centred and supporting our people and to whakamana our people in whatever way I could. And then I've always been interested in health and I've always been interested in Te Ao Māori, so I was able to pair that together with my 2 degrees of a BA and a Bachelor of Health Science.
E ai ki te whatuora, i te tau 2023 ki te tau 2024, ko te iwi Māori te rōpū i tino whai wāhi ki ngā ratonga hauora hinengaro me te waranga. Ko tā Bain, he rawe te kite atu i te hauora hinengaro me ngā waranga hei aronga matua o te tohu hou.
We have had the Bachelor of Health Sciences, but that had 4 majors, this one has 6. And I think if we have other people, especially Māori, in those areas to whakamana our people and be there to be support systems, I think that it will not only better those statistics for our people, but also make Māori feel more comfortable expressing why they may have some mental health issues or be in those addiction spaces.
Nā, ko tā Ahuriri Driscoll, he kotahi noa tēnei o ngā maha o ngā āheinga hou mo ngā tauira i tēnei tohu.
What we're aiming to do is every person enrolled in the degree will get to do an internship. That's the sort of work-based learning that's really important, giving students that hands-on experience of health sector, but also enabling them to make contacts with future employers.
I wish it had been a part of my degree, and I think it will be really beneficial for our tauira coming through.
Ka tūwhera te wā whakauru mo te Tohu Paetahi Hauora a te oketopa. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.